Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Cardano here, and as you can see, looking like we are potentially getting back up inside of this range here. Obviously it remains to be seen where we will go over the next few days, but looking like we have actually come back up and got above our EMAs as well, which is really good to see. As you can see, we marked out Cardano's range, this low here, up to the high, back down to the low, back down, up to the high, low, and then we actually came down. We lost the range low, didn't we? And we came down here, and looking like we have been retesting it as resistance here for a good while in this area. But hopefully, as we can see here, we've come back up above, and we've coiled up inside of our EMAs, and we're actually breaking above the 55 here as well, and potentially getting back inside the range. So if we could see a bit more upside for Cardano here, that would be really nice to at least get back inside this range here before we do get some continuation to the upside. Obviously, Cardano got really horribly oversold over here as people were capitulating and panicking with Cardano losing, you know, that low area there. We came down to that swing low of around 32 cents, 33 cents. And since then, we've had a bit of a renaissance off that low, haven't we? And basically came back up to the upside, which is good to see. Obviously, Cardano, a top crypto in our opinion. It's probably going to do very well over the next 5 or 10 years in the long term. And it's around a 10x back to that all-time high from that low, isn't it? So very interesting to see. But you can see here very clearly, with the Fibonacci, we do want to see Cardano, you know, getting back above the EMAs, which it has done. And then obviously coming back up and retesting some of these key levels of resistance, because we do need to see it getting back up to some of those levels, don't we? So we've obviously got a few trend line resistances that do need to be broken. We've got a trend line resistance looking something like this. Also, we have a resistance looking something like this. And we do actually have a resistance looking something like this as well, which interestingly has been broken recently, which is, you know, good to see in our opinion. You can see you've got the high here, resistance, and then we finally look like we've broken out and back tested that first key bear market resistance, which is good to see, isn't it? So you could say maybe this is a bump and run pattern with resistance, capitulation, we come back up, we run through, we back test, and then hopefully now we can come up and test some of these key levels of resistance we're looking at here. You can see this second bear market resistance that we have been looking at here. That is our next target, isn't it? If we can get, now we've got back inside the range, you would say we're pretty much back inside the range here. We're above our EMAs, we're breaking out that first bear market resistance. Now we're looking to target that next resistance, we would say, up at around that 46-cent level. So Cardano, you know, had a bit of a scare here, but looking like it might be recovering quite well over the past few weeks. And from the technical perspective, you would say it's probably back inside this range now, above resistances, breaking out of resistances, and most likely probably going to see a bit more upside in our opinion. So very simply, our target to the upside here around 46 cents. And obviously if we roll, we want to see this level here hold. But if we do roll over, we'll probably come back down to around that 38 to 40 cent level here in this level of structure like this for a back test before another continuation if we do roll over. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.